horror monkey
Yes, sir.
with a lot of other YouTubers.
These monkeys.
I can't name all of them, all of these YouTubers, but yeah.
They're so crack.
I don't know if you guys could hear me,
Yes,
but yes,
sir.
we're gonna be playing Gorilla.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna be playing Monkey Mischief with a bunch of other YouTubers.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got them contracted. You guys can come upstairs.
Wait, what? Nah, you joking?
Come
right?
upstairs.
Wait, what? Wait, is
I got
everyone
them
down?
contracted. They won't come in.
Are you joking or? Wait, really? Nah, bro. Nah, bro. He lying. He lying. Do not go upstairs. Where is everybody? Bro. No.
I'm right here.
Is everyone downstairs? I mean, in the mountains?
I'm gonna check over.
One following you. I'm gonna try to get them to all follow me. I'm so dead. Guys, run, run, run as fast as you can. Run as fast as you can.
Oh, I see.
Run, run, run,
What's
run.
gonna happen?
Oh my god, they're all coming. Wait, what? Oh, come on, I disconnected. Yeah, disconnected so I can use Car Monkey. Why do I keep disconnecting? I played this horror game mode.
Are you
Wait.
caught?
Horror Monkey! Why is there a horror monkey in casual? Yo, are you guys seeing this? Okay, let's go. Let's go back to the code. Yo, guys, sorry, I got disconnected. I might keep getting disconnected. I can't see a thing. Oh my god! Oh my god! They're chasing. They're
right there. I'm looking around.
I can't see a thing.
Wait, well, I can see. Dude, where'd
They're
that
all.
one guy go? Oh, I see him.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! But wait, where are you? Dude, they're climbing. Holy snap. Oh my god. Bro. Where are you, bro? Bro, please. Ah. Bro, where are you? Where are you? Hello? Oh! Did I just get jump scared? You okay? You guys, if you guys want to play horror, join the code 12.
Give me.
Is this
Wait, guys.
Join the code monk.
Wait, guys. How come there's horror
Join the
monkeys?
code monk to play around. Join the code monk to play around. Join the code monk.
Where's the other maps and why is it
Wait.
snowing? It's not even Christmas time.
Join the code monk.
How do I act? If you guys want to play horror, join the
Today's video, we're gonna be trying to find some naughty monkeys. Join the code. I want to find some naughty monkeys. We're cat.
Ow, my ears!
Are you naughty?
Ow.
Are you naughty?
My ears are bleeding. Jesus.
Wait, 1 second. I'm going to
If you
go
guys-
get a totally... Guys, I totally have the stick, man. I totally have the stick.
If you guys want to
Hey,
play, if you
yo.
guys want to play horror, join the code 1233.
Okay. 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
what?
1233 if
wait,
you want to
wait.
play horror. Okay, I got disconnected. Oh my god. This is the thing I don't like. Oh my god. If I ever disconnect, just stay in the room. Ayo, are you there?
Yes.
Where are you? Yeah, if I ever disconnect, just stay in the room. I'm having internet problems, I'm guessing.
Dude, behind you. Literally.
I'm gonna push you off.
Hi.
I'm gonna push you.
Or if you can find me.
You're gonna die.
Oh, oh.
You're so dead. You're so dead.
No, I'm not. Ha ha.
What?
I'm alive.
You
I
fit.
see-
Oh.
You're dead. You're dead. I see them.
Too bad. I play this game way too much.
I play Gorilla Tag. And
Me too.
Monkey Mischief.
Me too.
Dude, I feel like Monkey Mischief is almost better than Gorilla Tag.
It is.
I feel like it's literally...
Sorry, disconnected. Man died. Man's gonna get spawn killed. Oh. Bro, run.
I'm running.
You died?
Running.
Did you die? Of course, I keep getting disconnected. I don't have internet problems, I swear. I keep getting disconnected. Why did I get launched into the air? Where are you?
I'm upstairs.
Oh no, he died. Yo, he died. Because he's a nerd. Get nerded out, bro. Get nerded out. Come on, why do I keep disconnecting? I hate this. Bro, I keep getting disconnected. I don't have internet problems. I just keep getting disconnected.
Okay, dude, go upstairs. Get upstairs.
I don't think I can.
You can't?
I don't think I can with all these monkeys.
I can because there's no monkeys there.
Not yet. How come I have one crystal? Bruh. Stop disconnecting me. Yeah, I disconnected.
Disconnected.
Yep.
I literally saw you get disconnected. He disconnected.
Where are the monkeys? Woo! You're dead.
Basically where I am, where you are and I am.
Whew. Oh, I thought I got disconnected again. Did you die? Whew.
Nah, I'm still here.
Oh,
Hey.
I thought you were a horror monkey. I got scared. Hey, yo, onion.
If we dress up as white, technically we do kind of look like horror monkeys, except
I'm probably gonna disconnect in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I am surprised. I swear I'm gonna disconnect in any second.
I feel like you're gonna disconnect any second. You're gonna like be jumping around and like disappears.
Oh, I thought I did. Just right there. Until everything goes black and you disappear, and I can use Car Monkey. Dang, this is my record.
Dude, do you want to go in a casual lobby?
Nah. I wanna juke these monkeys.
Oh, this
Come
is
on.
easy to juke.
Oh my god, they're coming. Oh! Where are they? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, did you die?
Yes.
Bro, they're all on me. They're all at the mountain. Help.
I'm coming.
Dang, this is my record for not disconnecting. They may have banned me.
Be careful, they are kind of smart. A little.
As soon as I say that, man. As soon as I say that. As soon as I say it's my record. Yeet. This video might be ruined. Oh my god.
I'm 30.
Shut! I disconnected. Wait, what? I disconnected.
I kind of just died.
I literally just said, this is my record for not disconnecting.
Huh, funny. It's not disconnects. Like
Why are they frozen?
Jinx it.
Is it only me?
Where are they? I'm on horror. What do you
Same.
see?
Is it only me that they're right there? There's also some frozen right there. I'll go on the floor. Can you see them? Where'd you go?
Where are they? Like, point to them?
They're not moving.
Am I going
wait.
through them?
Wait, go up. No, backwards. Go backwards. Yes, go this way. Move to where I'm at. Go straight towards me. Yeah, you literally just went through them. I'm scared if I touch them, I'll die. If I touch them, I might die. Lay down. There's some floating right there.
Huh. I don't see them. I'm confused. Yeah, I'm on horror mode.
I'm scared.
Yeah, I joined the right code.
Yeah, and I can only see bright. This glitch has happened to me before while recording. It still kills me. So
are they moving or freezing?
They're frozen.
Or are they just stuck where they are?
They're stuck. One's literally floating.
Do you think we should leave and rejoin?
I don't know. Let me see. I'm gonna touch them. If I disconnect or die or whatever. This is one right here.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, I died.
Hello.
Oh, they're not there anymore. And I don't think they're there. I can't see anything again now. I'm scared to go on the ground. Yep, they're not there.
I'm going up. I don't see them coming.
They're gonna come any
You
second now.
go upstairs and like take a look. Like go upstairs and take a look. Oh wait, they're coming. Do
Do you think I can make it?
They're coming.
Yo. Nutter butter.
They're up where I am. If you just see a monkey spinning in upstairs, that's me.
I want to get up there so bad. Can you come down here? Can you come down here, Jukum? Bro, really? This is... probably banned me. Shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, that actually... Or... I bet they're right. Bro, this is what I hate about this game. 1, 2, 3. Bro! He's probably gonna... oh my god. Bro!
Hello.
I'm
on the sign where like you can see bright. I'm on the sign like where you can actually see stuff once you do the glitch.
No, this sign's the best. These signs are the best. Wait, someone else joined? Wait!
No! Got an hour code.
Who got an hour code? This is the time. No! Why are you leading them? Bro! Oh!
Help! I feel...
Where are they? Oh my god, they're all over here.
There are stairs?
Bro,
I can't see. Oh lord. Get upstairs. You.
They can get up here, I think.
Nah, they don't. They can't.
If I disconnect...
Goofy, get that goofy.
Oh my god, I'm actually scared. Who dares me to jump down?
Nah. This one follows me.
Dude, they're lagging out so bad. Are they lagging out on your guys' screen?
Nah. Yeah, a little bit.
Bro, they are literally... I can't even tell where they are anymore.
Goofy monkey!
I literally cannot tell. Dude, I wish you guys could see my recording right now. It is so laggy. Holy
I made a whole recording earlier.
Oh my god!
Hold on.
They're so laggy.
What's your channel called?
Mine?
Well, I just recorded my quest, but I don't really have a YouTube channel.
Hey, monkeys!
I'm gonna sit and watch my videos.
Hey,
I'm gonna
monkeys!
sit and watch it on my
Hey,
stuff.
monkeys! Hey, monkey! Bro! Hey, monkeys! Hey, I can play my videos on the TV right now.
Hello. Dude, I can literally play them on my headset and you can probably hear them.
Oh my god.
Hello.
Wait, guys, could we go on top of that siren?
Oh,
they're
I
all on me.
wish I did. Dude, I'm a risker, bro.
Bro. Nah, bro, he's right there. Poof. Dude, this is literally the most terrifying thing ever.
Hi.
Wait, can they get up
Dude,
there?
I wish there were mods on Monkey Mischief. Dude, I wish there
Wait,
were mods
can they get on
Monkey
top of
Mischief.
that?
Yeah. Yes, they can. I'm gonna... Head up.
Oh god. Guys, wait, who dares me to go downstairs?
Me.
I really got disconnected. Bruh. As you know, you guys know.
They're upstairs.
Okay. They're upstairs?
Guys, I'm gonna go to the cabin, okay?
Same. Never mind. Jeepers!
We're gonna follow you. There's too many of them.
No. Where are they?
Dude, they almost got me.
Where are they?
They're all up here with me. They're all upstairs. Most of them are upstairs.
All of them are upstairs?
I said most of them. I didn't say all of them. I said most of them.
What about...
Okay, I'm a little faster than these monkeys. These are goofy. Ah.
Holy shoot. No, bro, that might as well be all of them. Are they chasing me?
Bro.
I can't tell if they're chasing me.
Behind. No.
I'm down. Which cabin are you in? Oh!
Like that one.
I can't see.
The one that's like. The one that just is open and you don't have to like go up a weird slope.
Guys, wait, let's go onto the slide. Wait, no, we can't because we don't have Fly Monkey.
Now you can get up there, alright?
It's hard without Fly Monkey or Gorilla or without Car Monkey. Car Monkey makes it 100 times easier. Huh, I can't get up. This ain't no time to be playing bad. No. Everyone, whoever's in the spawn, lead them down to the mountains. Yo, wait, hello?
Hello?
Oh, okay.
Dude, you're not alone. I'm in the mountains. Wow, this has to be tough.
Bro, Fly Monkey, Fly Monkey, Fly Monkey, Fly Monkey. Okay, next time, end the video. Bro, why? Dude, this stupid game. Can you guys guess what happened? Hello? Bruh. Oh god, I just felt sweat dripping down my face. Yo, can you guys guess what happened? Hello? Yo, hello? Yo, hello? Yo? Yo, you there? Hello? Monkey! Monkey! Hello? Yo, hello? I see you, monkey. Hello? Well, that's it for today's video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.